Hi guys, it's your boy awomkenneth. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a beautiful 2019. First and first, subscribe. So I'm making a remake of of my Nigerian cookies video. It's at the top here if you want to watch it, and let's get into it. Hi guys, so this is salt and sugar, and I'm gonna be using that. These are all the ingredients. There's a crate of egg, between about 24 pieces, and this is a thick milk thing for the dough, and there's also a milk flavor for giving them extra milky flavor. Then we have some vanilla flavor too. Then baking powder, this by Quick Action. I don't know the brand, to be honest. Then this is CMAS butter. I'll be using about 6 packs in this video. Then this is the almighty flour. I'm trying to focus my camera here. I don't know what to do with the focus here, but don't worry, we're gonna get it right. So here I'm trying to pretend I'm doing something, but I'm actually just playing with sugar and water. So in this mixture, I did a lot of experiments, and you just have to bear with me. So I added baking powder, about 4 teaspoons, actually 6, because I just kept on playing more. So this is not an exact measurement for, let's say, an exact recipe. But if you want an exact recipe, you could email me and I'll give you something to work with. Here is basically an experimental cookie dough, or let's say chin chin dough. I'm used to doing it, so I just kind of wing it sometimes. So I'm adding salt. I don't know how much salt I added in this thing, to be honest. My hand just kept on saying pour more, pour more, pour more, pour more. And butter. So you don't need to cut the butter. I'm just behaving like a bush boy here, or will I say bougie. So I added the butter. My light, I don't know what happened to my glorious light, man. What happened? So there's no way I could have bent down and knelt that thing. I think at the point I took a chair, but here I'm just kneeling down to smooth this thing together. So you have to rub the flour and the powder together so that I'm saying powder. You have to rub the flour and the butter together so that it gives you a smooth finish. So at the end of the day, it will look yellowish like the way it's looking now. Then you can decide to add your sugar either before you add the butter or just before you add the butter. Actually, I added it after, just because of the craze boy. So yeah, this is me just turning it up and down. I'm trying to make it to form breadcrumbs, because that's the best way to start. Then this is that sugar. I was playing with water too. You don't need to mix it with water, to be honest. I'm just trying to be a chef, creme de la creme. So you have to compact it together after you pour your egg, because if you keep on doing it the breadcrumbs way, it's not gonna stay together. So if I've done research, I should be able to give you for a fact that the egg is kind of like a glue for the dough. But guys, I'm just winging it here. Oh Jesus, man. So you pour in your egg. That was the first egg I poured. That was about 8 eggs. So this is almost 8 kg of flour for you guys. It's 8 noodles, to be honest. 8 noodles, yeah, it's 7 noodles, but I added some jara, so you could say it's 8 noodles. So 7 noodles. Then this is the second 8 eggs I poured into the mixture. So you have to keep on compacting it. So then we add in our liquefied milk. I don't like that powder thing. People do, you get the powder milk, then you pour water and mix it. I don't know. It creeps me out sometimes because it looks too white, to be honest. So then again, be careful of the liquefied milk you use, because some come with their own flavor, and those flavors are very strong. So just be careful. Hope you like the milk you're using before you start using it. So we add in the powdered milk flavor. My mom started adding the stuff. Then all of a sudden I started adding it to our chin chin. Before we don't used to do it, so now you can see it has become a family thing. Then if you notice that your egg and milk have finished and it's still not doughy, you could add lukewarm water like I'm doing here. Don't worry, I brought chair, right? Well, I still fell off this chair, to be honest. Oh god, it was very funny. So you just make sure you add it. Don't add too much. Just pour one. Pour it. Drop. Oh god, I don't know the English here. Just take your time in pouring it. Don't pour at once, because you could just pour, and the next thing you're having a cake mixture instead of a dough mixture. So dough like pizza, right? So that's the consistency you want for your dough, but a little bit harder than pizza. Not too soft like pizza. So you want it hard so that it could mold in your hand. So something like this, but with a smooth finishing will be perfect for your cookie. So I'm gonna just stop here because my camera kind of died in the process of shooting this stuff. It didn't die actually. I'm just lying. Something happened and I don't tell you guys the truth. So we kind of like rounded up here, then we cut the pizza into square patterns with a pizza cutter, then we fried it, and voila, look at our creation, guys. So this plate of the cookies is like after 2 weeks, 1 week after I did the chin chim, because I did the chin chim on the cookie or chin chim on Christmas Day. So yeah, you could just do the calculation till now. You know that, yeah, your boy was lazy. So thank you for watching. I hope you actually gain 1 or 2 things in my description. I know, yeah. So if you mix the dough, it gets hard to a point that you could leave it to set for like 5 hours, right? Or in this case, we left it till the next day before we spread it out and started cutting it into patterns we wanted, which were like square shapes. So you can use a pizza cutter, which is very fast for cutting, or you can just use a knife, depending on the amount you're doing. In this video, I did about 8 mudus or so. So yeah, that's it. I hope you liked the video and I want you to subscribe to the channel. Please share and like the video. Give it a thumbs up if it was good.